we can document that we cleaned out the back of this U-Haul. Miss Joan, you want to jump up in there and get in the video?
Oh, is that a video? Can you put that on YouTube? Mom, he's putting you guys on YouTube. You're on YouTube. That means you are on the computer.
We don't have wide angle.
What'd you say? Yeah, really. Mine would have to be extra wide.
Sweep that floor. Sweep
I
that
just
floor.
had to back up a little.
Sweep that floor.
I'm gonna hit him.
Hey, chop chop.
You're gonna hit who?
This is really not gonna go on the internet, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is now.
David,
Yes.
we need some longer arms. And I don't think that
Use the broom.
Huh?
Use the broom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Forget it.
Play it smart. Yeah, you should. I'm just kidding, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Pretty boy.
Can I see my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be
You should put this on YouTube.
No.
Mom, where'd your purse go?
Huh?
Where'd your purse go?
That's not
Oh. I'm just messing.
$25 to do this. Some people pay because they're lazy.
It says so you can save $25. So they're taking $25 off of the bill.
Oh, yeah, wait a minute. Are they taking $25 off the bill?
I don't know.
We should
No,
watch this
only
tonight.
to avoid service charge.
Again, I'll put it on YouTube.
Which means if you don't do what they're charging
Mom,
you,
he's
I
gonna
can-
put this on YouTube.
Yeah,
Woo!
they kept racking it up.
I can put it on and I can also make it private, so only we can look at it.
That's crazy.
Don't you?
Mom, don't you just love that on?
Huh?
Don't you just love that?
Uh-huh. Oh, let me do some. You rest a minute.
You gotta get all the dirt, 'cause we don't have to pay $25.
Was it clean as a whistle when we got it?
I was wondering the same thing. I don't think so. I kind of doubt it. I did walk around it to see if it was all dented up. I would have documented that too.
Are you enjoying yourself?
This is
You
fun.
must be.
This is fun.
Just to make sure we get the right truck number. Right there it is. All right, girls. Say bye-bye.